morning, I'm Sue, and welcome to week 12, the end of month 3 of Bits and Pieces, our wool stitch along. So these blocks are becoming more and more fun as we go along, and I will get Jason to zoom in on my design walls so that you can see what's happening as we get them all together. This week we're using 3 colors: larkspur, powder blue, and mint. So fun little combination. And we have A, B, C, and D. So this is A, B, C, and D. And we will sew these 3 together. These on either side of the center one. Press those seams open. Then we'll sew this one on and then that one below. And of course you can do these in all different directions. They look different if it's more like a T, you know, so you can turn them as we do them later on in the actual piece. I decided to use triangles on this, so it's nice. I like other shapes on, you know, that are different to what the background is. And I used, I think, the 2-inch. So this is the 2-inch triangle, and I did 2 of them. I did a 2-inch here with a 3-inch up here, and then the 2 3/4 here with it must be, let's see, maybe it's a 1 1/2. Actually, it's a little bit smaller, sorry, it'll be the 1 1/4. So 1 1/4 in the center there. So you can see how I did the stitching. And I like the stitching done in this big stitch using number 3 eleganza. And I used this beautiful green color, which is number 3 EZ30. It's called After Dinner Mint. So that's sort of fun name for that as well. So pretty simple again. If you're doing 1 block, that's great. If you're making the bigger quilt, we're making 3 blocks a week. And it's great to see on Facebook all the people that are participating and doing little different colors, some of them, and some are following what I'm doing. And you'll get lots and lots of tips and hints from them as well. Have fun with these, and I'm sure a lot of you have already ordered the month 4 pack. So if you are following along in the same colors, those are available now on our website, which we'll be needing next week. So have fun, and if you're enjoying, please like and subscribe, and I will see you back here for month 4.